Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be a contributor in Freepik. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Freepik, open that website. Then you need to click here sell content, and here you can see become a contributor. Click on that option, and then you simply need to log in. So I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Click on login again. Wait for a few seconds. Here you need to read these terms of service. Click on I accept. Wait for a few seconds. Here you need to set up your profile, select your country. So currently I am in Pakistan. Okay. If you have any website, you can add that as well. You can add your social links, your language. Click on save. And here you can see congratulations, you are almost ready to start uploading. And if you want, you can download creator handbooks, and then you need to click on start uploading. So this is the dashboard where you can upload your content. Here you can see. So this is the process by which you can be a contributor in Freepik. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.